Welcome back to Our News TV and I'm Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story. In a grand celebration marked by grace and grandeur, AKGS, OVHUMS, Om Vidya Institute of Homeopathy and Allied Medical Sciences celebrated its silver jubilee at the esteemed Constitution Club of India. For the past 25 years, AKGS, OVIHAMS has been at the forefront of revolutionizing healthcare through the seamless integration of various medical systems, embracing the philosophy that holistic approaches led to holistic healing. Founded by the visionary Dr. A.K. Gupta, AKGS OVIHAMS was born out of a profound belief in the potential of every medical system. Recognizing both their strength and limitations, Dr. Gupta championed a novel approach, one that combines the best of all medical practices to offer unparalleled care to patients. This pioneering vision earned the Institute a place in the Limca Book of Records and spurred the introduction of homeopathic dispensaries in allopathic hospitals, a historic initiative taken by the Director of Health Services following a visit to OVIHAMS. The event was honored by the presence of Chief Guest Somnath Bharti, former Law Minister of the Government of Delhi, whose presence underscored the significance of this milestone. Distinguished guests of honor included Dr. Govind Singh, former Dean of IIMC, Dr. Dhruva Jyotipati, Director of the India Today Institute of Journalism, Dr. Sangeeta Duggal, Advisory Homeopathy, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, Dr. Anil Khurana, Chairman of the National Commission for Homeopathy, Dr. Sunil Ramteke, Deputy Director General of the Central Council of Research in Homeopathy, Dr. R.K. Manchanda, former Director of Ayush, Delhi. A moment of profound inspiration was shared with the audience as a breakthrough in the treatment of ALS/MND, motor neuron disease, was unveiled. Known for its devastating impact and often considered incurable, ALS/MND found a formidable challenge in the compassionate hands of Dr. Gupta, a young boy once grappling with the harsh realities of this disease, stood before the audience as a testament to the miraculous power of homeopathy. Dr. Gupta, who has devoted his clinical research to over 700 patients with MND, highlighted the significant improvements observed in many cases, bringing hope where once there was none. The recovered patient's heartfelt story of resilience and recovery was a beacon of hope to all present. Dr. Gupta said, "At our AKGS OVIHAMS centers, we like to take up challenging cases like MND, and with God's grace, we have been able to produce encouraging results in the treatment of this dreadful disease. I'm sure in times to come, and with ever advancing research methodologies, homeopathy will be looked upon as a formidable medical system with respect to difficult and so-called incurable disease." Adding to the day's significance, Dr. A.K. Gupta introduced his latest literary contribution, Childhood Challenges, the Homeopathic Approach, published by Sun Publishing. This book promises to be an invaluable resource for parents and healthcare professionals alike, offering insights and solutions grounded in the years of research and experiences. Furthermore, the launch of the new AKGS OVIHAMS websites was announced, symbolizing the Institute's commitment to spreading knowledge and facilitating access to integrative healthcare. AKGS OVIHAMS stands as a beacon of hope and a model of innovation in the healthcare landscape. With a legacy built on compassion, research, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, the Institute continues to lead the way in integrative medicine. Its Silver Jubilee celebration was not merely a reflection of its past achievements, but a resounding affirmation of its future potential. A multitude of doctors from various medical disciplines joined the celebration, sharing their experience and reinforcing the belief that integrated healthcare is the pathway to the future. Chief guest Somnath Bharti appreciated the innovative concept of Dr. Gupta and AKGS OVI HAMS in carrying out this service to the humanity and assured and said that Delhi government would be ready to offer any help needed for the medical service to help the needy and like to increase avenues for homeopathy for the benefit of society. Dr. Govind Singh stressed that the media should give more coverage to homeopathy. Dr. Dhruva Jyotipate emphasized that words of a doctor means a lot of patient as he narrated his own experience with Dr. Gupta. Dr. Anil Khurana said that India has become the hub of homeopathy when students from different countries now come to India to learn homeopathy. He acknowledged the efforts of AKGS, OVI, HSAMS in spreading the wings of homeopathy along with integration. Dr. Sangeeta Duggal was very impressed with the case of MND who got cured with homeopathy at AKGS OVI HAMS by Dr. A.K. Gupta and suggested that such kind of miraculous achievements and case studies should be reported in peer journals and portals of Ayush. Dr. Sunil Ramteki spoke about the researches being done at CCRH and complimented Dr. A.K. Gupta and AKGS OVI HAMS for its successful journey of 25 years. Dr. R.K. Manchanda mentioned the association with Dr. Gupta from the college days. He praised Dr. A.K. Gupta to be a role model of older times for the young homeopaths in practice. He highlighted the innovative concept of AKGS OVI HAMS and has visited the center and seen the meticulous way to treat the patients in holistic manner. He appreciated that Dr. Gupta not only is a visionary practitioner par excellence but also always vocal for the cause of homeopathy. Appreciation awards were given to Dr. Vinod Khetrapal for exemplary medical service, Dr. Rajneesh Narang for providing homeopathic service, Kiran Bharadwaj of Total Health DD News for creating awareness about health and doing in-depth research before airing the programs, Ameya Sathai for running a portal, Sarkari Tel, which provides all kind of official contact details of government and also having health section. Dr. Gupta was felicitated on this occasion with Star Performance Award with the title Father of Integration in Medicine. Among the guests were Dr. K.K. Juneja, Chairman Delhi Homeopathic Board, Dr. Sandeep Kela, National Vice President LMHI, Dr. C.K. Khanna, former President BCCI, Dr. Nakul Parashar, former Director Vigyan Parasar, member NMC, reputed doctor from Apollo Hospital, Sri Gangaram Hospital, lawyers, practitioners of various systems and high officials and renowned social workers and patients. OVI HAMS, Om Vidya Institute of Homeopathy and Allied Medical Sciences, was started as a gift by Dr. A.K. Gupta to his father Om Prakash Gupta and mother Vidyavati ji.
Very good concept and शुरू किया था इसको डॉक्टर A.K. गुप्ता के साथ मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ तभी से। मेरा नर्सिंग होम है शिवाजी कॉलेज के पास बाय द नेम ऑफ खेत्रपाल नर्सिंग होम, ठीक है। एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट को हमने बहुत आगे बढ़ाया था और इसमें पेशेंट्स को बहुत फ़ायदा है। तो जो उनके लिए बेस्ट पैथी होती है उससे ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है एंड बहुत ही अच्छा रहता है पेशेंट।
बहुत सेलिब्रेटेड होम्योपैथ है, इनके हाथों अनेकों लोगों के शारीरिक दूर हुए हैं रोग, और बहुत ऐसे इन्होंने रोग दूर किए हैं जो कि एक तरह से चैलेंजेस थे। अभी एक बच्ची ने भी अपना एक्सपीरियंस नरेट किया है यहाँ पे। आज उन्होंने ubhums.com नाम का वेबसाइट भी लॉन्च किया है। 25 वर्षों का उनका पूरा अनुभव उसमें उड़ेल दिया है उन्होंने। एक आज उन्होंने बुक भी लॉन्च की है, चाइल्डहुड चैलेंजेस। मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे शख्स मानव जाति के लिए बहुत उपयोगी हैं परमात्मा करे, तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं। और दिल्ली सरकार जहाँ कहीं भी उनके काम में योगदान कर सकती है, हम करने को तैयार हैं, करने को इच्छुक हैं। उनके हाथों अनेकों लोगों का भला हो, शारीरिक भी मानसिक भी।
25 साल के इवेंट में तो मतलब हमने बहुत कुछ और ऊंच नीच देख ली। ये भी देखा कि होम्योपैथी प्लेसिबो है, परंतु ऐसा नहीं है। आज हमने जो केस वहाँ पे वो दिखाया मोटर न्यूरॉन डिजीज़ का, और इस टाइम पे अगर आपने वो जिस चीज़ को लाइलाज बीमारी कहा जाता है, जिसको कि हमें बहुत भयंकर बीमारी मानी जाती है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, उसका केस को अगर रिवर्सल दिखाया तो ये होम्योपैथी की बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है। और ऐसे टाइम में अगर हम ये चीज़ मिलकर करते हैं, जैसे हमने इस केस में होम्योपैथी और फिजियोथेरेपी का योग लिया, तो देवर वंडरफुल रिजल्ट। परंतु सिर्फ मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हर सिस्टम की अपनी अपनी एफिकेसी है और हर सिस्टम की अपनी अपनी लिमिटेशन भी है। अगर हमें ये चीज़ पता चल जाए तो हम आपस में मिल के पेशेंट का ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह उद्धार कर सकते हैं और पेशेंट को हेल्दी बना सकते हैं। मेंटल हेल्थ का तो वाकई में आज की डेट में इतना अनरेस्ट है, इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो हर किसी को कोई डिप्रेशन परेशान है, कोई एंग्जाइटी से परेशान है। ऐसे में होम्योपैथी का बहुत अच्छा रोल है, क्योंकि होम्योपैथी डील ही साइकोलॉजिकली उससे करती है, उसके मेंटल एस्पेक्ट को लेके, जिसमें उसका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन देखा जाता है, माइंड सोल एंड बॉडी को पूरा वो करते हैं। और साथ साथ हमारे ओबीजेंस में एक चीज़ में भी हमारा साइकोलॉजिकल एक अलग से ब्रांच भी है, क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, तो जो अपनी परामर्श और वो देते हैं और उनको ठीक करते हैं।
That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe the Even News TV. Thank you.